What is up, guys? Today we got Kayou Naruto Tier 2 Wave 1 box. I have seen a couple of breaks of this wave. Usually it gives you SSRs, and if you're lucky, I guess some ARs, or I don't know if there's a higher hit you can have. So over on this side it's Gaara. On the other side it's Itachi. Alright, so let's break this box. So this wave has 30 packs in total. I'll be keeping one pack sealed to add up to my sealed packs collection. Maybe I'll show you that collection in the end of this video. On to our first pack. For our first hit, it's an SSR Temari. And an SSR again of Deidara for the second hit. And upside down. For our third hit, I think this is it. An AR of Sasori. Nice. I'm hoping to get more. Maybe another AR or a higher rarity. Who knows? Another upside down card and another SSR of Hinata. Oh, it's in the front. We got another AR. Setsu. I was expecting just one AR and now we got two, so we are on a roll. Let's see if we can hit another higher hit. These ARs are my doubles, by the way. Maybe silver variants are better. So on to our next pack, we get just an SR Sasuke. Nice hit though. Upside down means SSR, Lady Tsunade. SR Shikamaru. Ooh, first time seeing this one. If you're collecting SRs, I think this is a good box. Oop. SSR Sasuke with the Chidori. Sick art. Upside down again, and SSR Sasuke, nice. Look at that, Susano in the back. And of course, another SSR, and this time it's Naruto. Down to the last 4 packs. Let's go. And SSR Sasuke, Kid Sasuke. Nice SSR. And for our last pack, will this be our last pack magic? Let's see. And for our last card, it's SR Naruto. Nice SR though. Right, so that's it. Let's do a recap. For our SSRs, we got SSR Deidara, SSR Temari, Hinata, Lady Tsunade, Sasuke, another Sasuke, Naruto, and Team Sasuke. And for our ARs, we got Setsu and Sasori. Nice. We got a total of 8 SSRs and 2 ARs. Not bad for this box. This is our sealed packs. We'll never know what's inside. And let me show you my sealed packs collection. So let's start with the EX, EX1, EX2, Kakashi, EX3 with Neji, and EX4 with Sasuke. And for tier 4, this is wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3, and wave 4. For tier 3, wave 1, wave 2, Naruto again, and wave 3, another Naruto, wave 4 for Sasuke. So for tier 3, I'm missing wave 5, which is the Gaara box. Maybe I'll get that soon. And this is our tier 2, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 with Sasori, wave 4 with Hidan. Tier 1, we got tier 1 wave 1, this wave 2, and wave 3, and last but not the least is wave 4. So please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel if you enjoyed the video.